Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make your CAD full guide. Start by choosing a clear goal and audience for your site so design decisions stay focused. Pick a template that matches your goal and replace placeholder text with your own bio, contact info, and links. Keep sections minimal and use consistent spacing and typography. Preview on mobile and desktop as you edit so everything looks polished before publishing. In this video, I will show how to make your CAD full guide. Start by setting a color palette and typography hierarchy to create visual consistency across sections. Use margins and padding to space elements and avoid clutter, and apply alignment so buttons and headings line up. Add one strong hero message and a clear call to action, then test contrast and readability to ensure accessibility for all visitors before finalizing design choices. In this video, I will show how to make your CAD full guide. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that keep sauces sealed and lunches fresh for work or shoots. They fit neatly in bags and stack cleanly in cabinets, which is handy between editing sessions and site builds. If you find this helpful, please subscribe and like. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make your CAD full guide. Add functionality by using form elements for contacts and embeds for media or analytics snippets to track visitors. If you plan to use a custom domain, connect it and enable SSL to secure your site. Compress images to reduce load times and test responsiveness on phone and tablet views to ensure buttons remain tappable and layouts adapt smoothly across devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.